Hi, it's Fran Berger, and I'm shopping for fall entertaining items at Gearys, and look what just came in this week. I love all of this. Great things from Mary Urick, cheese, crackers, a wonderful wine coaster. Love the Michael Aram. You could put olives and nuts and all kinds of little things in there. Beautiful for fruit over here. How pretty is this carafe from William Yoward? Love the wine glasses, love the water glasses. Just kind of love it, all of it. Wonderful serving tray from Match. The great thing about this is not only will it hold crackers and pretzels and dip and all kinds of things, but these pieces all come out. And then you've got a gorgeous big serving tray as well. A perfect sort of twofer piece. Mom always told me, if you're invited to someone's home for a party, a dinner, anything, you always show up with a gift in hand. These pieces from Jaliska are perfect because they already come in gift boxes. Great salad plates, a wonderful little serving tray. I love this. It says gratitude on it. How fun. Any of these items, all of these items, perfect and brand new this week.